My name is Emily. Today, we are going to learn about job interviews in English. This lesson is perfect for beginners. You will learn important questions and answers for your interview. If you are going to attend a job interview, this video will be helpful for you too. Are you ready? Let's start. Good morning.
Good morning. How can I help you today?
I have a job interview at 10 o'clock.
What is your name, please?
My name is Sarah Johnson.
One moment, please. Yes, I see your name here. The manager is ready for you. Please go to room 205.
Where is room 205?
Take the elevator to the second floor. Turn left. It's the third door.
Thank you very much.
Good luck.
Hello, sir. May I come in?
Yes, please come in. Good morning. I'm Mr. Roberts, the hiring manager.
Good morning, Mr. Roberts. I'm Sarah Johnson. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too, Sarah. Please sit down.
Thank you.
So, Sarah, tell me about yourself.
Sure. I am 25 years old. I'm from Chicago. I studied business at City College. I finished my degree in 2021. Right now, I work at a coffee shop as a supervisor.
Interesting. How did you hear about our company?
I found the job posting on LinkedIn. I also read about your company online. I really like your products.
That's great. Why do you want to work here?
Your company is growing very fast. I want to learn new skills. I also want to work with a good team.
What is your current job?
I am a supervisor at Greenleaf Coffee Shop. I manage 5 employees. I help with customer service and I count the money every day.
How long have you been working there?
I've been working there for last 3 years.
Why do you want to leave your job?
I love my job, but I want a new challenge. I want to grow in my career. I want to work in an office.
I understand. What are your strengths? What are you good at?
I am very friendly with customers. I am a good team player. I am also very responsible. I never come late to work.
That's excellent. Now, tell me your weaknesses. What do you need to improve?
Sometimes I work too slowly because I want everything to be perfect. But I am learning to work faster.
That's honest. I appreciate that. Do you have any special skills?
Yes, I can use Microsoft Office very well. I also speak Spanish and English. I can help Spanish-speaking customers.
Wonderful. We have many Spanish customers. Can you work under pressure?
Yes, I can. At the coffee shop, we are very busy in the morning. Sometimes we have 50 customers in 1 hour. I stay calm and work fast.
Good. Where do you see yourself in 5 years?
In 5 years, I hope to be a team leader in this company. I want to learn everything about this business. Maybe I can train new employees too.
I like your attitude, Sarah. Do you have any questions for me?
Yes, I have a few questions. Is this a full-time position?
Yes, it is full-time.
What are the working hours?
Monday to Friday, 9 a.m. to 6 p.m. That's 40 hours per week. You also get 1 hour for lunch.
I see. What is the salary?
The starting salary is $3,500 per month.
Are there any benefits?
Yes, we have health insurance. We also give 15 days of vacation every year. And we have free lunch on Fridays.
That sounds wonderful.
When can you start working?
I need to give 2 weeks' notice to my current job. I can start in 3 weeks.
Perfect. Sarah, I'm happy to tell you that you got the job.
Really? Oh, thank you so much, sir. I'm so excited.
Welcome to our team. Come back in 3 weeks. Please arrive at 8:30 a.m. on your first day. We will give you training.
I will be here. Thank you for this opportunity.
You're welcome. See you soon.
Have a great day. Goodbye.
Goodbye, Sarah.
So, how did you find this interview? Was it interesting and helpful? Please let me know in the comments below. Before you go, here are some more helpful tips for your job interview. First, let's review the most common interview questions. 1. Tell me about yourself. 2. Why do you want this job? 3. What kind of experience do you have? 4. What are your strengths? 5. What are your weaknesses? 6. Where do you see yourself in 5 years? Practice these questions at home. Speak out loud. Now, let's talk about your strengths. These are the good things about you. Here are some examples. I am hardworking. I work very hard. I am punctual. I am always on time. I am a team player. I work well with others. I am organized. I keep everything neat and clean. I learn quickly. I understand new things fast. I am friendly. I am nice to everyone. I am responsible. People can trust me. Choose 2 or 3 strengths that are true for you. Practice saying them. Now, let's talk about weaknesses. Everyone has weaknesses. Be honest, but also show you are improving. Here are some good examples. Sometimes I work too slowly because I want everything to be perfect, but I am learning to work faster. I am nervous when I speak in public, but I am taking a speaking class to improve. I am still learning some computer programs, but I practice every day. Sometimes I say yes to too many tasks, but now I am learning to manage my time better. Important tip: always show how you are working to improve your weakness. Here's some useful phrases for your interview. When you arrive, good morning or afternoon. Nice to meet you. Thank you for this opportunity. During the interview, that's a good question. Let me think about that. In my experience, I am very interested in this position. When asking questions, may I ask a question? Can you tell me more about what are the working hours? When can I start? At the end, thank you for your time. I'm very excited about this opportunity. I look forward to hearing from you. Have a great day. Practice these phrases. They will help you sound professional. Remember, be confident, smile, and be yourself. Did you like this video? Please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to turn on notifications so you never miss a video. Thank you for watching.